Hey guys, it's Simple Aviation 99 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing my first AeroClassic model. This is a Boeing 737 MAX. I don't know which MAX, but it's in the 1 to 400 scale here. So let's go through a tour of the box. So this is the front, this is the model inside. This is how it's going to look. It's a Norwegian MAX8. Registration, I think, Echo, Iris, Foxtrot, Hugo, I think, Charlie, yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think I'm wrong on the Y there. Anyways, so 737 MAX, pretty basic sides. That's the barcode, and yeah, let's get unboxing. So, from this side here, and let's see. There we have it. That's the 737. It comes in this plastic here, and yeah, it's going to be my second 737. So yeah, this is the model. Absolutely splendid. It has a hole for the stand, but I don't have a stand here. So here is the model. The model is really nice in the Norwegian livery. The Norwegian livery is actually one of my favorite liveries here. So, on the back, I'm not sure who that is on the tail, but yeah, the winglets are very detailed, and the engines are also very detailed to fit the 737 MAX8 737 MAX8 style. So, in details, these are the cockpits. This is the cockpit details. We have windshield wipers, which is really good. The landing gear is good, with the Norwegian, the wings, and the registration. And yeah, the landing gear configuration. The landing gear configuration is very accurate with the A222, which is A24. Wait, what? Yeah. So 222, so 24. Yeah, we have the registration here, and yeah, that is the model. It's absolutely amazing. The side details are really good with the emergency exits and the Norwegian.com, as well as the registration and the 737 MAX8 sign. So this is, I can't tell by the font. Now, we have this, which I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, the other side is pretty much the same. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.